Question number 3. The total value with GST of a remote control toy car is rupees 1770. Is rupees 1770. Total value is equal to rupees 1770. Rate of GST. Rate of GST equal to 18%. The rate of GST is 18% on the toys. Find the taxable value, CGST and HGST for this toy. Therefore, let amount of GST is equal to rupees X. Amount of GST is equal to rupees X, and total value is equal to taxable value plus GST. Taxable value plus GST. Taxable value plus GST. Now total value is 1770. Taxable value, we have to find the taxable value. Taxable value plus GST X. Therefore taxable value is equal to 1770 minus X. Rupees 1770 minus X. Now GST is equal to 18% of taxable value. GST is equal to 18% of taxable value. Means 18 by 100. 18 by 100 into 1770 minus X. And GST, amount of GST equal to X. Amount of GST equal to X. Therefore 100x, 100 into x, 100x equal to 18 into 1770 minus 18 into x minus 18x. Therefore 100x plus 18x equal to 18 into 1770. 18 into 1770. Therefore 100x plus 18x, 118x is equal to 18 into 1770. 18 into 1770. Now x equal to 18 into 1770 by 180. Now 2 5 are 10 and 2 9 are 8. Here 2 8 are 16. 1 2 8 are 16. 1 2 5 are 10. 2 5 are 10. Hence x equal to 18 into 885 divided by 15. Again 59 ones are 59. 59 ones are 59. And remaining 59. 88 minus 59. 29 and this 5. 59 5 59 5 295. Therefore x equal to 18 into 50. X equal to 18 into 15, and 18 into 50 equal to 270. 18 into 50 equal to 270. Therefore amount of GST equal to rupees 270. Amount of GST equal to rupees 270. Therefore, amount of GST equal to 270. Therefore, taxable value of remote control car. Taxable value of remote control car equal to 1770 minus 8 means 1770 minus 270. Therefore, rupees 1500. And again we find CGST. Amount of CGST equal to 270 by 2. 270 by 2. Rupees 202, 236, 256. And amount of AGST 270 by rupees 135. Rupees 135. This is our taxable value, rupees 1500. Amount of CGST rupees 135 and amount of AGST rupees 135. Seventh problem. Prasad purchased a washing machine from Maharashtra Electronics Goods. The discount of 5% was given on the printed price of rupees 40,000. Rate of GST charge was 28%. Find the purchase price of the washing machine and also find the amount of CGST and amount of AGST shown in tax invoice. Solution. First, printed price of washing machine. Printed price of washing machine rupees 40,000. Printed price of washing machine rupees 40,000. Rate of discount. Rate of discount is 5%. Rate of discount is 5%. Rate of GST. Rate of GST 28%. Therefore, rate of GST is equal to rate of CGST equal to 28 by 2, that is 14%. 40%. Amount of discount. Amount of discount is equal to RU% of printed price. 5% of printed price means 5 by 100 into 40,000. 0 means 5 into 400. 5 into 400 means 5 4 is 20. It is 2000. Amount of discount is 2000. Therefore, taxable value is equal to printed price minus amount of discount. Printed price minus amount of discount. Therefore, taxable value is equal to 40,000 minus 2,000, that is rupees 38,000. Therefore, CGST is equal to 14% of taxable value. 14% of taxable value. Means 14 by 100 into 38,000. 14 by 100 into 38,000. Means 0 0 0 0. 14 into 380. 14 into 380 we get rupees 5,320. CGST equal to 5,320. CGST and SGST are same. Therefore, SGST is also rupees 5,320. Rupees 5,320. We have to find purchase price of washing machine. Purchase price of washing machine. Therefore, purchase price of washing machine is equal to taxable value plus CGST plus SGST. Taxable value rupees 38,000 plus CGST rupees 5,320. Rupees 5,320 means rupees 38,000 plus 10,640. 38,000 plus 10,640 rupees 48,640. This is the purchase price of washing machine. 48,640.